So we've installed the Mac agent, and now what we need to do is we need to import this config.xml file into the Mac agent in order for Veeam backup and replication to be able to communicate with the Mac and vice versa. And so having completed the install, I can show you just a couple of things. You can see here that there's a Veeam agent for Mac now. Also, alternatively, if you needed to be able to get to it, you can go to Go and you can go to Applications. And if you scroll down, you'll notice that the Veeam agent for Mac is here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and launch this. You can see it bouncing down here. Veeam agent for Mac requires full disk access. Remember, we talked about that before. So what we're going to need to do, depending on the version of OS X that you have running, is we're going to need to open our system preferences. We've conveniently added the button here. Select the full disk access. We're going to log in, and click the checkbox and allow that particular full disk access that Veeam is going to need. So as asked, we're going to click on the box. We're going to authenticate here just with the Apple Watch. Going to go to full disk access. We're going to click Veeam agent for Mac. And it's basically going to tell us, as with any traditional OS X application, that we're going to need to quit the agent and then relaunch it in order for the full disk access to take effect. So we'll click Later. We can see that that checkbox is there. I've finished here. I can now close this. And we're going to click OK. Now we're going to quit this momentarily because remember, it said that we needed to relaunch the agent. So now I'm going to relaunch the agent. I'm going to import the configuration file. And remember, I told you earlier that I had mapped the share to my Veeam backup and replication server to that TBD Mac directory, and that we needed that config XML file. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to select Open. It has successfully been imported. And now we're going to go back over to our Veeam backup and replication server, and we're going to go to the Mac agent beta testing protection group that we created, and we can now see that we have the Mac agent successfully communicating with VBR. It shows that the agent is online, installed, and the version of OS X that it's running.